Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can create a new task and add it to a project in the Freedcamp project management app. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to Freedcamp, log into your account and choose your project here on the left side first. You may do this from the home section here, right? So let me go with this project here. And then as you will see, let me just skip this one here. You will see the list of all tasks and tasks list within your project. So stay in the tasks tab here on the left hand side and create a new task either by clicking into this button for the given task list, or you click into this button here in the top right. Then you may assign a task list from that list here. I have already this one here assigned. So let me use this one and then give it a title, like for example, I don't know, go to the gym or something like that. Describe it here. You may insert a link, for example, use various numbered lists, bulleted lists, quotes, and so on and so forth. Let us skip this and then assign someone to the task. I've assigned myself. You can click into this field here, invite the user by searching for the username and click into this checkbox. And then guys, what you want to do is set a status. So if you haven't started yet, I would leave it at no progress, but you can also go with in progress or completed. Set a due date, start date, priority, attachments, and so on and so forth. And then click into create. And there you go. The task has been added to the task list. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.